In this next segment, we're looking at the very, very broad topic of sustainability, both sustainability as a customer, sustainability as a business, and sustainability as an ecosystem and as a human in participating in the planet as a whole. We do this by starting very locally, very personally with the student, with the customer, and asking them about their habits around saving resources. The two that we emphasize most are the resources of water and the resources of energy, usually meaning electricity. In the material, you're going to find several very, very important exercises and factual representations about what it takes to actually purify a gallon of water for drinking, about how we shouldn't waste water, and how much water is wasted by something simply as keeping the faucet running while you're trying to brush your teeth. Your students may not realize how much water can actually be conserved or saved by doing just a very few very simple things, like turning off the water when you're brushing your teeth, or turning the water on and off if they can during the shower, or making sure there's a full load of clothes in the washing machine before turning on the washing machine and washing. There are also several examples, once again, of the money that can be saved by that conservation. This is especially important when we look at the use of energy, electricity. There are several examples in the material that point to several dollars of savings by simply doing simple things, by adjusting the thermostat slightly warmer, keeping the refrigerator slightly warmer, turning the air conditioner temperature up just a little bit, not turning the heat quite as warm, maybe just a little cooler. And the amount of savings that can come from those small, very small, fractional saving activities, once again, can be quite significant in the terms of a month over month saving. And once again, we ask our question, what would you do with those savings? What would you do with the money that you save? Saving water and saving electricity may not seem like things that impact the idea of being a customer. But once again, let's realize, whose money are we saving anyway? Yes, it's ours, it's theirs that they're saving. So these tips, these approaches to creating savings may have been something your students may not even be aware of or may not have thought about in the context you're going to present. So again, I encourage you to look very specifically at the examples that are given. You might even bring local prices for electricity, local prices for water into the discussion, and actually calculate a real savings that your students could realize if in fact they saved 10% on the water bill or 10% on their electric bill. So once again, use those modules effectively. Take as long as you need to get through those, because again, the idea of sustainability in terms of consumer goods plays into the next section that we're going to talk about as well.